Good morning, guys. Not sure how well you can see me. It is really dark outside today, but today is a early morning and we shall be fishing the Detroit River and its cuts for some bass, pike, walleye, or maybe even some muskie. So guys, today you can see I got my kayak getting loaded up. I think the time is around 5:30 a.m. So yeah, let's get the show on the road. All right, guys, you can see I am doing the most sketchiest kayak launch you could possibly ask for. Actually, this rock's pretty. Look at this. Look at the size of this crawdad arm. Holy. This thing's huge. Okay, so we know one of the bait forages in this water is crawdad. Okay, I'm about to actually take this home. Make soup. Okay, so I'm gonna try to board this thing without messing up. I'm gonna do it the Christine Fisher way, actually. Shout out Christine Fisher. I could just turn it sideways, but I love the way she does it. I'm not as nimble as her though. She does it way cooler. Okay. So far so good. I'm gonna put these important things in here, such as car keys, GoPro batteries. What a beautiful day out here, guys. Look how glass calm the water is. Holy. Okay, just gonna paddle myself up out of here. It's just a gorgeous morning out here this morning. Perfect conditions. I almost just want to try casting here. See if there's any fish here. I'm gonna start off with my St. Croix Premier with the Pro Max Reel 2500, and I got super heavy braid on. This is a 60-pound braid. And I'm just gonna throw it on top of these weed mats. See what's out here. I'm using, oh, I forgot to show you the bait. It's actually a lunker hunt. It's like a whopper plopper, but I forgot the exact name of it. But it's a really cool bait. I'll show you here in a second. Look at this thing, guys. Oh, one of my freaking legs fell off. One of the propellers fell off. I guess I only have one propeller. Okay, I was wondering why it was moving funny, but yeah, this is made by Lunker Hunt. I think it's a prop frog. Yeah, it's a prop frog. Okay, now it's a single leg prop frog. It's got a nice stinger hook on the back. Just throwing on top of these weeds. You guys can see it's got that nice action on the top. Early morning, you always want to start Topwater. Right on top of, oh, right in front of my bait. Did you guys see that? Right in front of my bait. Hold on a second. I'm gonna throw right at him. Right there. Damn. That fish jumped right in front of my bait. If my bait was 5 inches behind, I would have had him. Come on. Hope he's still there. Looked like a bass. Just glass calm out here. Beautiful. There's got to be something by those docks. Oh, fish are jumping everywhere. Okay. these bad boys in. Actually, I'm gonna give them a dip because it gets them all nice and lubricated. If you guys have a pedal kayak, give them a quick dip, or if you got some WD-40, that'll really help lube it up. No Vaseline. Okay, here we go. Let's get this day started. Caught lots of fish here in the past. Over the years, this has been a really good spot for me. Lots of big largemouth in here. Bowfin as well. Lots of bowfin in here too. I also have a shaky head tied on the other rod. We'll throw that in case we miss a bite. You ever miss a topwater bite? Throw a shaky head back in the same spot and that fish will hit. I just can't get over how gorgeous it is this morning. Wow. Yeah, this bait's almost like a whopper plopper if you guys ever use those. It's just weedless, so you can throw it around the mats. Oh, there's a fish jumping right there. Oh, bunch of fish jumping over there. Fish jumping everywhere. I wonder what they are. I hope they're not just carp or suckers. You guys ever get close to a spot that looks juicy, give that topwater bait a pause. Gives them fish some time to come up and hit it. Also make your bait look like it just, you know, died off, injured. Oh my God, that fish just went right in front of me. What is that? I think they're just suckers. Could just be suckers. Or maybe I'm the sucker. Look at the river, guys. It's just glass calm. Wow. Amazing. Let's see if I can still skip cast. No, I can't. No. Oh, man. What are those? I'm actually really curious. A bunch of fish jumping. Got a date tonight, guys. You guys like dates? They're good for you. I love dates. Alright guys, so I switched the presentation to this Ned rig that also Hartanto made me. Thank you, Hartanto, brother. So I'm just gonna cast it upstream and let that thing sink. I'm just gonna twitch it back to me. Let it hit the bottom. Just kind of work that bottom. Oh my goodness, that scared me. It's freaking Garth. And what I'm aiming for is smallmouth. Smallmouth love Ned rigs, as you guys know. This is a good smallmouth spot. I caught lots of nice smallmouth here. Also a chance of getting a walleye. Alright, new drift. Okay. Come on. Alright, that's bottom. Come on, Smalley, or something, anything. I'll take a silver. Oh. What was that? Oh, the silvers are hitting against that boat. I'm gonna... Oh, there's one. Come on. Come on. What is this? Oh! What is this? First fish of the day. What do we got? What do we got? Feels like a smallmouth. Like a smallie. Oh yes. Oh, is it a smallie? Oh, ooh, he's dogging. Oh, good fights. Good fights. Yep, this is. Oh no! He shook it. He shook it. Oh my god! It was a beautiful smallie. Holy! Oh, I felt like he was gonna do that. Oh, I gotta loosen the drag here. Nice waves. Woo! Ho ho ho! Let's go for a ride, guys. That came from that big old tugboat. Yeah, what are they tugging? That thing is cool. Looks like a little mini house. It's actually giving me a lift too. Nice. Well, you guys seen that? We just missed a smallmouth. Damn, he wasn't big or nothing. It's probably like a 2-pounder, but still. It's actually so lame getting snagged. One of the worst things. Okay. At least I know I got the pattern down. I got this, it's like a Pimp Daddy Ned plastic. I don't know if you guys walleye fish, you know the Pimp Daddy. It's like purple and green. That's what they're biting on. Okay. Let's redo this drift. Alright. I am not going near that boat. It's just a snag fest over there. Although I don't get snagged here. And there's still smallmouth here too. Fish jumping all around me, teasing me. Not fun. I'm having a bad day actually. Oh. There's one. Finally. Yes. Finally. Oh, nice smallmouth. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Okay, don't lose this one, please. Do not lose this one. It's a nice smallie. Let's go. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, he's one. Oh, no, no, no. No, don't do it. No, don't do it. Where's the net? Where's the net? Get the net. Get the net. All right. Oh, look at him. He's so gorgeous. Oh, this is so much fun, man. Come on, baby. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come, you're getting landed. Oh, let's go. We got one. After all the trials and tribulations, guys, we finally got one. Check that beautiful specimen out. Red eyes, green back, brown stomach. Wow, that is gorgeous. Oh man. Oh, he wasn't going nowhere. No, he was not. No, he was not. And that was on that net. Thank you, Hartanto. This one is for you, brother. Rest in peace, my friend. Yes. Let's go. That's freaking awesome. I love that. Okay. That was on the tactical fishing gear. Ned Special. He's not big whatsoever, but I'm just so happy to get a fish today after everything I've been through. Snags and getting clowned by silver bass. All right, let's get him back. We'll put him in the net, get a couple pictures, and we'll get him back. All right, my friend. Thank you for making my day. Hopefully there's more of your friends down there. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Man, I feel like a kid again. Let's get another one. Let's do this. Pattern has been found. I'm using a lighter jig to not get snagged, and I'm not fishing in front of that freaking boat where it's a snag fest. Oh. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a good one. We're on. We're on. Again, same spot. Oh, he's coming up to jump. Oh, be careful. He wants to jump. Oh, it's another nice, it's a bigger one. It's an even bigger one. Oh man, this technique is so good. It's so simple and so fun. Oh, that was a nice run. He is pissed. Come here. Come here, baby. Oh, don't jump. Don't jump. Please do not jump. Oh, the net's caught in my feet. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, I suck at this now. Oh, no. No. Oh my God. Number two. Oh, he was barely hooked. Oh, man. Look at that. That came out so easy. You see how tiny that shaky head jig is? Oh, man. That is awesome. Fish number two, baby. Let's get him. Let's see what you look like. Is this the same fish? It's his brother. Oh, smacked me. Damn, that tail is so strong. These fish are nothing but muscle. Oh boy, he's bigger. Look at this one. That is awesome. Another red eye green fish, baby. Let's go. That's a beautiful fish on that tactical net special. Look at that. That is awesome. Awesome. Okay, let's get some pictures. Put them back in the water. Keep them nice and lively. Okay. Look at that beautiful fish. Let's get her back. She is so gorgeous. All right, my love. Oh man, I love these fish. Back to the depth you go. Where the hell am I? Holy cow. Okay. Well, the day seems to be getting good. Finally, we're catching fish, and it's starting to pan out. Ah, awesome. It is now 8 o'clock, and we got 2 smallies on the board. 2 smallies. We need 3 more for a bag. See if we can do it. Question for you guys. Would you guys cancel me if I did a smallmouth catch and cook? Because I'm tempted. I've had smallmouth before, and they're very good. I mean, like, I'd only keep 1. Like, I don't think 1 fish is gonna, you know, detriment the population. Let me know in the comments. Stay away from smallmouth catch and cooks, or is it okay? All right, this is where I got those 2 fish. So let's see if there's more. What the hell? Got weeds. Oh, that was not weeds. That was a fish. That was a freaking fish. That was not weeds. Come on, baby. Come on. There he is. There he is. Man, they're just schooled up in there. Oh, okay. Oh, this feels like a good one. This feels like a good one. Okay. Oh, he's coming up to jump. He's trying to jump. Oh, look at him. Oh, it's not a big one, but it's nice. 3rd fish in the same spot. They are schooled up in there. They're just stacked up, feeding on them minnows. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah, come along. Oh, they fight so nice. It's been a while since I've caught smallmouth. I usually don't get on a good smallmouth bite, but today we're on. Come along, my friend, come along. Oh, I'm gonna do it like the bass, like the pro bass fisherman. Oh, he spat out a minnow. He spat out a minnow. That's what they're feeding on, baby. Come, baby, come. Come, come. He's so full of energy. Wow. Oh, I'm gonna try to scoop him like the pros. Scoop him like the pros. This one's green. Perfect hook set. Right on the top of the lip. That's what you want. Oh yeah, did you guys see that minnow he spat out? That was freaking cool. All right. Another nice one, baby. That is awesome. We're gonna get this guy back right away. You're so beautiful. Look at those weeds. They're in those weeds. Okay. Get back out there. Well, guys, it seems we have found them, and we put together a good pattern that is very successful. Just dragging the Ned rig, and yeah, you can see like the schools of minnows that are just, you know, swimming by right against the railings, and the smallmouth are just schooled up, just picking them off. Same thing with the silvers. Yeah, this is panning out to be a good day. We're on a good smallmouth bite. We got 3 so far. We lost 1, could have been 4. That's all right. 2 more and we got a bag limit, and we're gonna continue to fish. The weather is beautiful. There's no wind, and we are having a blast out here with these smallmouth, man. Oh, I gotta I gotta say, there's nothing like catching smallmouth on the kayak, especially a Hobie kayak at that. It is just freaking awesome. You guys like my hat? My buddy Tim Gerald gave me this hat. It's freaking awesome. It even says, I don't know if you can see it on the back, Windsor, Ontario, baby. All right, let's get it. Okay, Ned Rig special. Actually, yeah, it's the Ned special too. Let's go. Okay, you gotta love these tactical rods, man. They're freaking awesome. We got the Sienna Shimano 2500, some 10-pound braid, and we're just dragging this Ned Rig right on the bottom, on these weed edges. There's a giant weed bed, and they're feeding on minnows. As you can see, that smallmouth spat out a nice minnow. So yeah, let's try to catch us another one, and another one, and another one. We'll keep doing this all day until they stop biting. Hell yeah, brother. Oh man, I know where I'm coming for the next bass tournament. Let's go. This is freaking fun, man. They fight so awesome. There is nothing in the world quite like a smallmouth fight. Smallmouth bites are, oh my goodness, you guys see that? They're busting over there. They've been busting all morning. Oh, this is freaking awesome. You guys can see I'm just twitching her away. Oh, on again! On again! This is so much fun, man. Oh boy. Let's go. Oh, ooh. This is too much fun, man. Let me tell you. Not a big one, but man, this is ever fun. Holy cow. Just bite after bite now, man. We're really locked in, dialed on this smallmouth bite. Too much fun, baby. Oh, he's pooping on me. You motherfucker. All right, we'll throw him back. Yeah, all on that Ned Rig, baby. Let's go. Too much fun, man. I'll just explain to you guys how to work this bait. Bang, just hit. Couldn't ask for a perfect example. Oh man, oh, you gotta love when this happens. Okay, one more and we got a bag. One more and we got a bag. I gotta say, and you guys may get offended, the largemouth guys, but I find smallmouth fishing funner than large. Oh my god, got hit already. As I was saying, I find smallmouth fishing funner than largemouth fishing. It's just, they fight harder. The show must go on, guys. By the way, guys, this jig is actually from the dollar store. Isn't that crazy? You can get these jigs at the dollar store, and they're actually very good. Caught a lot of fish on them last year. Alrighty, all rigged up, ready to go again. I now know where all the snags are and the areas to avoid. This jig is like a, I think this might be a 3/4 or maybe a 5/8. I think it's a 5/8. So it's a bit heavier than the last jig I was using. Last jig I was using was like a 1/2 ounce, not even, but it was like a shaky head jig. But we'll see what this one's all about. Alright, well, I made a post asking if I would get canceled if I do a smallmouth catch and cook. I got some people saying take the 1-pounders out of the system because too many small fish will affect the numbers of bigger fish. So I guess it would be a good idea to take some of the bigger fish out. Phil the Chance, shout out to you, that was your comment. Also, someone said smallmouth are delicious, which they are. They really are, man. I'd only take the 1 pounders anyway. I'd only take 1 pounders, and I'd only take one. I'm only gonna take, you know, maybe 1 or 2. Like, I'm not gonna take a whole limit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do it, guys. Hopefully I don't trigger some people, but next smallmouth is coming home, and watch. Now that I said that, I'm not gonna catch any more. Hope I catch a walleye. That would be more preferable. Oh, more preferable. That was a bite. I don't think I'm gonna get one anymore now that I said that. They probably heard me. I should have whispered that. Okay. With the inflation nowadays, man, it's expensive buying fish and meat. So you gotta take what you can. Tough out here. How are we supposed to live nowadays? Everything's freaking gouged up the booty. All the prices are gouged. The other day I went to go get some beef. I couldn't believe the price. Holy. Almost like $14 a pound for a ribeye steak. Holy. Oh. It's just ridiculous now. Keep missing these fish. Buck said I'd come eat one with you, so they'd have to cancel us both. Oh, there's one. Yep, there's one. There's one, baby. Oh, don't jump, don't jump. Don't jump. Oh. Yep. Perfect. Oh, no! I had a feeling that would happen now that I said I'd keep them.
You want to try from, like, say, I don't know, lunch, 1 o'clock till 7. As long as we can stay. I'll stay as long as we can, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's the only thing we can do. Yesterday was the bus, day before was the bus, it was like 30K winds. Right?
Yeah, the winds have been terrible.
Yeah, I've only made it out about the time this year because of the wind.
Yeah.
Maybe you get lucky if you get out twice a week.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been
pretty brutal unless the American guy with a giant 36-foot boat.
I know, yeah. Yeah.
Those guys can go on any day.
Any day, yeah.
Before we start getting our boat set up and everything, and we'll go from there. I'll call you back today around 10:30.
All right, my brother. I'll see you then.
Okay, brother.
Okay.
Talk to you soon.
Peace. That's my buddy Joe. Looks like we're going musky fishing today, guys. So I'm gonna have to edit this smallmouth video, and then we're going musky fishing. Or maybe I'll put them together. I don't know. What do you guys think? Actually, you guys probably won't even know. I think I'll just do them separate. But I'm pretty stoked. I'll be going musky fishing later today. Hell yeah, brother. Let's do this. It's gonna be a good day of fishing. All right, guys, so we are now musky fishing. I'm with my buddy Joe today. We'll be doing some Lake St. Clair fishing. It's, once again, like I said, a beautiful day. It almost got nicer. So we're gonna hope for the best today. Heading out, maybe catch a 50. So guys, stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Okay guys, so I just want to talk about something pretty serious here. So today, after smallmouth fishing, I went out musky fishing, and we were out on Lake St. Clair, which
I honestly feared for my safety in my life and the life of my partner, Joe. I honestly thought like this could be the end for me. And I'm not just saying this, like this is actually so serious. It's very real out there and conditions can turn quick. I'm being so serious with you guys right now. We did check the radar, we did check weather, and none of it indicated what happened. Now, what really happened was in a split second, that whole weather climate condition changed. So you can see my hair is pretty roughed up. You can see, like, I don't even want to show you my eyes. I'm kind of like scarred right now. Like, I'm rattled. I'm not going to lie. From the bottom of my heart, I am rattled right now. I almost lost my life out there along with my partner, due to the weather and how fast it changed on us. So, guys, I'm not looking for attention here. I'm just saying this to bring awareness and to open your eyes to what can happen out on the water, especially on these big lakes. Lake St. Clair is not the biggest lake, but that doesn't mean you can't lose your life out there. Now, thank God I wasn't on Lake Erie, or it probably would have went a little different. I probably wouldn't be here talking to you guys right now. So guys, please, please be careful out there. Learn from my mistake. I know a lot of people that actually experience the same thing as me. Guys, this is like a very honest opinion of mine. I don't think so. Please, guys, be careful out there when you're on the water. Check the weather. I've actually experienced this before on my kayak, which was actually like nerve-wracking. I'll show you guys a clip real quick. Pretty sure I'm about to record my own death. Now, guys, I was on my kayak. I didn't check the weather this time. I'll be honest. It was very foolish of me, and it wasn't very responsible. But on this occasion, we did, and it goes to show it doesn't matter if you do check the weather. Things can change without any indication, without like weather apps letting you know or radars letting you know. So please, guys, once again, be careful out there, especially if you're out with loved ones or friends. Things will turn in a split second. Watch the skies. If you see storm cells, get out of there. If you see rain, get out of there. It is not worth it. I'm telling you, no fish is worth your life. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Before that happened, it was actually a great day on the kayak fishing for smallmouth. Please be sure to check out my sponsor, Tactical Fishing Gear, on orderbase.com. Use my code WCO. Appreciate all the support, and I appreciate every second of your time. Please leave a like, a comment. Any type of interaction and engagement matters. Hope you guys have a great night, a great week, a great weekend, a great summer. And from the bottom of my heart, I am thankful to be alive right now. Me and Joe at the end looked at each other like, holy cow, like we are so blessed. Not gonna lie, the whole time I was praying to God. I was saying, God, please make this storm go away. It was so scary. Literally praying the whole ride there. The boat was filling up with water fast. The rain was coming down hard and sideways. We were shivering like little biatches out there. Like on the way in, we were dodging huge logs. You guys, if you ever fish Thames River, especially after a rain or a storm, you know those big logs come down and you gotta dodge them all, and it's just a huge obstacle. Man, I am just grateful to be alive right now. Thank you, Lord. God is good, man. Guys, see you on the next one, man.